Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to set up Roundcube Webmail easy method. Start by confirming server access, PHP 7. 4 or later, and a MySQL database are ready. Download the Roundcube package and extract it into your web root folder. Create the database and user, then grant necessary privileges. Keep your FTP or SSH credentials handy and check file permissions, so Roundcube can write temporary files and logs during installation. Begin the install by placing Roundcube in a web-accessible folder like /Roundcube and navigate to the installer URL. Enter your database details, create an admin account, and let the installer create tables. If you prefer manual setup, copy config/config. Inc. PHPDIS to config. Inc. PHP and edit DB-DSNW, default host, and support URL. After installation, remove or secure installer files and verify the login page loads without errors. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice for your ride to keep it smelling fresh while you work on servers, because a pleasant commute helps focus. I put a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Next, configure Roundcube to talk to your mail servers by setting default host and SMTP server details. Enable SSL or TLS where available, and set SMTP port to match your mail provider. Adjust session lifetime and cookie secure for better security, and enable helpful plugins like ManageSieve and MarcusJunk. Test sending and receiving with a sample account, fix any credential or port mismatches, and confirm messages appear and send reliably from the webmail interface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.